face, head to toe in tie-dye. Wonder where this fairy came from. She's from heaven. Heart size of the Amazon, hand steady, hand long, holding fire in her hands. She starts to dance. Oh, mystical, magical, beautiful queen of the night. Ooh, Shiva by her side. I know that's right. Look at her, make way, tear up, don't play, cut it off, grow back, throw it back. Oh, in the stands, tell me who can send her like that? Ooh, who's gonna stop me from giving my all? No way. Where this fairy came from, she's from heaven. Heart size of the Amazon, hand steady, hand.
Where you do on the road?
Come by them.
Who give you money if you come on the road?
And your sister.
My sister. So I know your auntie.
Yeah, my auntie.
So when you never say auntie give you money if you come on the and the other day, I notice you no manners. You. I notice you no manners. And nobody your auntie again.
My auntie.
So when you say your sister, like you and her or something, since me gone the 2 weeks, you and her catch up again?
Me not do no every day. Me have to do everything over yard. When you not up me grab me and tear out all my clothes. Now they say one I pick one me have a shirt and I want big hole in there.
How much money she give you if you come and shop? Because sometimes you tell me something, me not believe you, you know. Okay, you know?
$300.
$300? Okay. So, you did behave yourself for the 2 weeks when I gone?
Me behave. I him love treat me like me a shit.
What do you mean? Because I suppose your favorite auntie.
Fire go everything and me have to do. And he have him pitney there and he pitney no I do not him cause I say I have to do it. He say we I go take turns and rake up here and I do everything. Every day I still have to do it. Every day I have to go wash plate.
So since me gone, are you alone and sweep up yard, wash up plate, clean out house and do everything fierce? Pitney there no do nothing?
You know, I do not only time for go take up book and bed.
Oh. I need to talk to her. Turn back. Go and go in the yard. So which part you did I go up the road I go?
Go sit down on my bench.
Why? You know somebody did I come today?
No.
So you just come out of the yard so
come and go buy chips to eat. Him go tell me say me and yam too much out of the yard.
But at least she still give money and she tell us so come you want to find out what I want. Sister.
What sister?
Me tired so till girl.
Why?
You know how long me they come and carry it. You know see me they call your phone, check your phone.
No.
Me they
see, I don't even know my phone. Let me there from morning I try to look.
No, so me put on beside your doorway. Yeah?
I don't know the people in there. Me they try me. I feel do everything by myself.
How you do? Go by sitting for sell.
Me I start up a business.
So hold on there. Me know say life hard. Wait. My sister, me know say me did leave your niece with you. For 2 weeks me gone to Kingston. Just a come back see her on the road. Me ask her. What she did do on the road? She say, are you give her $300 to go buy them here? Look, Lord have mercy, the devil is a liar. Lucky thing none of that way.
Wait.
So you give her $300?
What is that? What is that? I'm a fridge at work, cold drinks run there, chips today. Me I give girl $300 to go buy a lime at 10. In here, go like him bigger than me. He can't wait for him mother come. I said, go on out there, wait for him. $300. $300
so hold on, so I lie you tell. You tell like you say your auntie give you $300 to go shop.
They give me $300 from how long and then me take it. You remember $300 where they give me I didn't use
Mommy
it.
never said I go shop.
But me want go shop.
Oh, you want to walk on the road there?
Different
Yes.
story this now.
Okay, every day I have
You give her,
friend.
you did give her $300 for a long time?
Long donkey years. Donkey upon donkey years.
Yes.
We have one friend there, one look fire one black girl. Now a man has titty turn up, so I send go on the road the other day, but them a go to library. Send home back my picnic. Them a whisper. But send a library, we are go.
You did it?
Oh,
And
You
I
go
tell
have,
you-
hello. You go have manners to your auntie.
alright.
You go have manners to your auntie.
Me done.
You not go disrespect this sister you we may have.
Me glad you come. Take him time. Go on. Alright. I mean, I
So,
want to
Kena,
charge
I
people
them sitting here along with the 2
Somebody
weeks when
not
I'm not
want
there.
nothing. Tell
We-
me same for buy back my shirt when ripped them same for maybe skate out back all that rubbish.
So,
me
Mrs.
have to
Say
do
I call
every
him
day.
now.
Your mother would
Yeah.
have repeat again.
Listen.
So go on talk.
So, all of them, there's something that when me hear say I go on with.
Yeah,
You know, must expect say she go beat you and
believe it.
shirt I go tear and all kind of something I go on.
Believe it, I'd feel beating too.
So, you not expect say, if you do all of them, there's something there, you go get beaten and shirt I go tear, pants I go tear and all kind of thing I go on.
Oh, it I got tear, but nobody now buy me back none.
You
So it
see?
makes sense.
Mrs. say she not no manners. 15-year-old and you not have no manners.
Tired.
You I make me think for send you go cops. You.
Mommy, me no business. Send me go
Go
on.
sit down. Go
Send me.
sit down. Not more than there, Fianyam. Sit down now. Okay. You see, I saw them want to leave. They want to come and eat. The amount of money where you want me for my shop.
Me know.
Oh.
But know yourself. Me done collect some money already. Me do some work when me go to town nice since 2 weeks there. So when me done start out and sit, me will give you money. Thanks. God have mercy.
Definitely
Me thank you
in
for
a hand.
make she stay with you. But this little girl here,
Not even
from the day she can chat, me realize say, not even me can go manage her.
Take him out.
You turn road pace. You all a tell lie.
If you drag him up,
If
man.
you give her $300 from long much donkey years,
Let me see.
and he still have it till now, something wrong. Come go on in the yard. Go on where you go. Me no want hear nothing from you. Too little and lie.
No.
You too lie, man. Make me catch round there before you, or you catch before me, and make me see where I go on. Make me split a ground.
And it dry. And you not reach.
Make it dry before you reach round Kena.
No man, you know how.
You know, no man. Can you imagine? Sis, you see anytime you see them a behave so? A man then start have, you know? Man then start have.
Talk to them.
Man then start have. So little more me have to go all care, go a doctor, go test her to see if she a virgin, you know?
Money, man.
Cause this little girl we go breed for me, you know? She full of too much attitude.
You check him now. You come back. 2 weeks ago, check him now. Cause, you know, listen to him.
So hold on there. She tell me how the road say. Anyway, my little niece, hold this for me. Hold it for me till me finish. Come here. Hold it for me, yeah? If she want to eat it, she can eat it, man. I'm my niece. Listen. She tell me about the road. When she just meet me, she said to me, say, how you a give her plate, as she want wash she plate. You know, make Fio Pitney wash. Nothing at all. Fio Pitney not do nothing. You make she alone and sweep up the whole yard. And she want do everything. And your uncle tell Fio Pitney if you go take up book and watch TV. At you, my sister?
Who she come here? Come here.
No, but me know you say no, so you stay. So me not understand.
Why you rate the yard? Who rate the backyard?
We take
Who rate the front yard?
Kena, me. We
Okay.
take turn
When last you take
It's
up a book?
fair.
Huh? When last you take up a book? Maybe
Every
every day
day.
work. In between time, in the chores. One way at the back, one way at the front. One wash the plate, one rinse the plate. Me share it. My sister, you know me, man.
I know you.
Man.
So when she dey tell me?
Together.
When she dey tell me listen to her, okay, you know, Akim.
Right.
But
right.
that not mean say I believe her. Me just when you want to go and tell her, make you
Come on,
know
man,
what
you
she has to
me
say.
that and all that. You
She-
dey like? No.
She say you tell her, say,
Alright, go on back now. Come on,
then if you take turn, and when she look, as she want the wash, as she want the sweep, as she want this and Fio Pitney take up book every day and watch TV.
Nah, do
You
that. A
understand?
slave me walk that. Me can't have picnic. People pick me. I do so much work. How am I picnic there? I ain't big enough.
How the wickedness that? Me not believe her.
My sister.
Me a come grown go talk to
Go
her.
on before you speak dry.
Yeah. Alright, later.
Yeah, have a good
And
day.
thank you again, you hear? And later me give you money, me carry back. Watch out, me I left me bag, you know see?
Money in there.
He dey on me card.
Alright, my sister. Be see ya.
Alright, thank you.
Go tell the mother, okay?
Tie-dye. Wonder where this fairy came from.
Same how me left the place as so me come back and see.
So if me not come over here, I get respect for sleep.
But you have the key. You could have gone tidy up the place.
Me
Where you
not come
talk
over
about?
here.
Where they talk about? You want to tell me say big girl like you, 15-year-old. Me have to tell you to tidy your place so to me left you. Remember say auntie don't live far from here, so I just next door. I don't far that. A walking distance. Me call that next door. Walking distance. You don't have to take no taxi to go off here. You can run go there and run come back. You could have tidy up your place. Kenna, why make you tell me so much lie?
Me not telling no lie. Me tell you the truth. It's up to you if you want to believe you pick me or not.
So true, you're my child. Me fi believe everything what you say.
Me never say believe everything. You're my mother. You're supposed to
I know my
when me a
sister
tell
before me
lie.
have you.
Yeah, but you're supposed to know when me a tell lie. You grow me. Me not tell you no lie.
You see true, you always a tell lie. Me don't know when you talk the truth. So if you even tell me the truth just like a while, I do not know. So you cannot blame me, blame yourself. That means you have to stop tell lie and start talking truth. So when they tell me the truth, and people they say, I know so, me know say so. Me can't prove what you just say. Because my sister say one thing and you say the other.
But I tell you.
Me can't prove it.
You can't prove it, but I tell me I tell you.
Me know say my sister not stay like that, so me don't know if I switch or I change, but I don't know.
I switch.
Well, I
You
feel
know,
like
tell
know.
about all the time when he come and me sit on the road, me sit on the bench round the front guy house hat and he come and grab me. And can me go over to go wash up the plate them with maggot in them. You know, tell about that?
Maggot.
Yes.
That a nastiness where you mean.
Or time room me take them from.
So how long them the dirty people? Me don't understand. Can I lie to tell?
Me not telling no
You
lie.
have to put on plate long dirt feed
Exactly,
and
and me
dirty.
cannot go in a her
How much
room.
week that they... No, me don't understand still all maggot... Or maggot or
Me
what
can't go in
call
her
it,
room, so me don't know
maggot,
how long
whatever.
he have it in there. Every day he come to me and tell me say me fi rake up plate. He'll trick me saying and give me no food unless if me rake yard.
Well, that's a normal something. If parents tell kids say if they don't do this and they don't do that, they not get no food until then do it. Cause
You not punish nobody with hunger or starvation.
by the sweat of your brother shall eat bread. They not feel lazy and yam nothing.
Me not lazy. But if me clean up the house, look out in that I must can rake up out a door. Me have to clean up house, rake up out a door, wash up plate and everything.
First you say me a take side and I show my sister. Me no want believe me wanna pick me and because that's why if you stop tell lie.
Me not telling a lie.
You always a tell me lie. You're too
Which
little
lie
and
me tell
rude.
you?
15-year-old and you gone for road. See there? She give you $300 about 10 years ago. Or 50 years ago. Me don't know much here, but a long time to the time
And
where
so
she
long
say.
as since you go and they give me hit.
You
He did give me hit cause he never did a cook. And when he give me put it on. And then me go find so in my house eat. Cause me say me I go put it on until he tell me say he not go give me no food cause me would want if he buy something to eat. That's why me put on the money. He not give me no food, he not give me no breakfast this morning, so me go shop. And me tell him say me not spend back no money with him. That them me tell her. That's why you see me on the road I come from shop.
You have a boyfriend?
No,
You're sure?
I'm sure. Me no want none.
You're still a virgin?
Yes.
No answer me so.
Yes, ma'am.
Me no size. And me have you. You don't have me. You cannot have me. You're 15. You're big old great one woman. You no answer me so. I see me the other day me talk to my mother so you talk to your grandmother one disrespectful way. Tough friend do it, man.
Cause my granny tell me say me not come out to no in a life.
Because you don't have no manners and you make people tell you things that they're not supposed to tell you. She talk to me about it. She's sorry, so she tell you, but I do the way you behave. Uno generation nowadays, pick me. When people talk to you, disrespect them, so they get vexed and tell you anything. You know, anger. All when they know, so they enough to tell you, draw them out and make them tell you all kind of sick with them enough to tell you. What is wrong with you? That is your grandmother. No, you and your auntie. You and everybody are going to something, then if me suppose I'm overseas, me go.
No, me want to sit on you. You send money so I can buy some eat.
And who that take care of you?
Me
So
can't
police
take care of
charge when they come
myself.
back to
Police
neglect
not
at
charge you.
15-year-old, you're underage.
Police not charge you, cause me not gonna know if the police know or when nobody know.
Up on road, me come see you. After
You see
2
me I
weeks.
come from shop. That day you see me there, you see me I come from shop.
Me don't know where they come from.
A
You
shop
see
me a
things in
come
your
from.
hand, you see a shop where they come from and how auntie give you money and this and that and one per sitting. Me not understand you, okay now? Listen to me, man. Get a grip of yourself. I know me talk to you over and over again. Because you have one dirty style for a long time. You don't like wash plate, which one you don't like sweep up yard. Now me come back, I in a problem with sweep up yard, wash up plate, one if sitting, who now watch TV and they take up book and you have to do this. Listen, me can't take a banger wrong. Me thank God say me read safe. But me sorry for coming at them and sitting here. Me glad for the little 2 weeks when me get. I be a trouble you give me, girl. The other day, me go up to your school and if you hear what the teacher them a say, boy, you, in a parents teachers, me know. What wrong with you?
Nothing.
What do you mean nothing? Why for your name a call up? If a school, yard, everywhere. What wrong with you?
No.
And since recently, me not see no work in your book.
School locks.
You used to be on a road, now you come off. You now go back on the all long much more now. What wrong with you? So much company you have. What is wrong with you?
No company.
Where your problem?
Me no problem.
Not talk to me, so.
I don't got no problem.
You need to get a grip of yourself. Take up your book and start study.
Anytime I take you up and I go to library, your sister turn my back. You see, in the library, I go. Anytime I want to sit down and have like a time, anytime I say if I get up and go do things, I don't have no time for myself.
You know what you see?
I compulsory, I find time for bed.
Make me cool off myself and hold her fresh and sitting and so you're hungry that the chips and sitting when me see you with you eat it already?
Mm-hmm.
So you're big enough to look about you can't tell me say me if you left all the way from Kingston come and the grill come look about sitting give you for eating now. You're a big girl.
Hungry.
You're not hungry?
No.
So you're not hungry, but I want nothing feed for your side here because your belly full till tomorrow.
Yeah, my belly full till tomorrow.
So me not feel bad cook.
You not feel bad cook. You can't cook for yourself though.
Something wrong. Something wrong. But anyway, me go cool off. Me go outside, go cool off. And see if me can get a little fresh and change when closer.
Mm-hmm.
And maybe deal with you a little more. It's alright. Me don't talk. And you have to know. You know you're a big girl.
Why hot for you, man?
Mommy, I drink juice. I make juice. Chop. It's not any fun, man. Hot money, please. Hot money. I can't put AC in here. What happened?
Before you touch me.
We can't touch your mother again.
Depends. You get rid of that thing that you're bringing up. The same thing me think says a tie.
Mama.
And then unalive myself.
Mommy.
Me I play with it like say I take a long time in the see water gun.
You see water gun in my panny?
That shouldn't be in the yard. What
Anyway,
you really are doing that?
Man. Me dash away. Cause true you the time, mommy. I borrow it. I see it and take you.
Borrow it for what? What my
Protection.
good girl I do it that the crosses in our house.
Protection. I be a bad things that I'm out of road.
Make the good Lord be your protection, your shield and your guidance.
God can't help we. You have to help yourself. Anyway, I tell me I go take a walk.
And you definitely get rid of that thing. Me not
You
even
see
want
it?
to call it name.
You see it with me?
If the jaw never break, we wouldn't sit in the first place.
Yeah, if you dig up the house, me soon come back.
My house. Alright, well good. I don't know why you need protection from so.
You again?
Yeah, again?
Where do you so?
Nobody run, man. Nobody run. Me not happy for me.
Why you always? Where you doing gun? Where they doing gun?
Yeah.
If you're a little girl like you, where you doing gun?
I make no big man afraid. You know, say afraid. You catch a cow, look.
That we don't know. See you. You go if you don't go to cops or prison. Me don't know what me name.
Yeah, go send me. Shut up, mama. Remember fit up in eyes now. Remember who me ya deal with. That's why uno big man, uno go on like uno a bad man. I don't know no bad man. Cause other day make you piss up yourself. Look at you.
Oh.
I go on like
So
you're
that's
bad.
so you walk around and tell the whole neighborhood.
You hear me? I won't tell nobody say you piss up yourself.
Oh, walk out and shut your ears out.
Shut over years and you figure where you get out of there. Go and run off your mouth. Remember say me have to buck you again, you know.
You have to buck me again.
Okay.
I must hold on, you know. I must hold on. You wait. Buck me backside. I don't shan this. No. I don't shan this on my left and yard. I don't do this. Shan where you there, so?
Tell me I take cool breeze.
Oh, me yard the coolable again.
You know, see a PS so no little cool shit, a little tree and we can't still and say, alright, me I want a little mess there, so nothing.
How much sheet me have down there? You can go out the door, go joke too thick in the ground and put the sheet over it and lay down at night.
That's just some want to take cool breeze.
How much money they lay with you, Sashan?
Me not live with no man. If I did,
A man you find since you come here?
everybody a live with man that is see man right here, so.
No. Probably you spot me up there so and tell the man to run.
What?
Because that's what only young girl turn, you know. Only try to hide things, but let me tell you this, belly not hide, you know.
Me dear belly I go.
Eh? The last little girl me here tell them mama say where belly I go, be see with belly I carry him down. See ya. What kind of stuff
Cause
up here?
that's she.
Eh?
She.
That's a she, you know. You see if you not change. You see if you not change, you go pierce your nose. That's how the first red flag. You think if me a man and me see a woman like a woman, me go take on up?
So we're wrong with PS nose.
Piercing your two nose, that's the first red flag. If you just pierce one part, you're not so bad. Pierce the whole of your
Style,
ears,
daddy.
them.
We've got to see your old. You're not medicine.
Style.
Yeah, style.
So you create your own style, you follow people's style.
Me like it. And it's cute and girly, so me do it.
Oh, you cute and girly, so you do it. Let me tell you something. Our people now have nothing to do boy they know. Yeah? You have money?
What me have your for?
Oh, okay, see it? And you run go boy no. You could have used that by a couple of tin of mackerel put on. The money where you use, pierce it two part,
Yeah.
you could have used money.
One thing, you know, you love talk about tin food, you know? You have to be a cat.
And that the government left with yam ya, tin food. You think $16,000 can buy oxtail and lobster and send you go to school when you used to go to school? Eh? Answer my question. You think 16,000? No, back then I did 15,000. You think back then I could have done that? No. You know what I mean? I'm Mr. Chin's place at work. And a thief, we have a thief one bag of flour to sell it to people. And a thief, we have a thief that sometimes we have to carry out garbage. You want to see how we have moved them. Eh?
No worry.
You know what thief
No
in
worry.
go on just to send you go to school. If anybody in
look at
Jamaica tell me say they work an honest job and say no go to school for 15,000, they are liars.
So have my
You have a thief. You have a thief to save yourself.
Who have a thief? Just say that you don't have a thief, you can work. Cause me not got thief, so don't talk about people have a thief.
Get a pitney, yeah? Get one pitney like me. And go work $16,000 a week, minimum wage, 5 days a week, 8 hours. And make me see how you maintain that backside. But
me not got thief.
just when you are the only man working and I do it. How you do it? Imagine people with 5 pitney. Just imagine $16,000 a week.
And them want 5 picnic because them can't lock up them like me.
And the whole of the year that them a run go vote, September coming. Me? I go and sit down here. I now give my vote. God alone I get my vote. Only God alone know my suffering and my pain when we go through. Yes, when you vote for them and then win, you don't see them again until next election time. At the time you see them a drive road. Vote for me. Time come. Choose Jamaica.
And the same people we have vote by the time when voting done and the people never go to school, they not have no money and them now look on them and give them that.
That's why if you go back in a high school and learn a trade, find a big job so you can save your money. So when time man breathe and run off, you can take care of your pitney. Go on here. Go on now. We say if you go on down, I must hold you.
Oh God, me say me run a while ago till me can't run no. Me that little man you see. Nothing man by that. Oh there. Oh, are you me did sit down there so you find where did I look for Papi?
Yeah, me find out who.
Oh, how Papi is still?
My father.
Oh, you sure you know your man?
What you mean by girl?
I saw no look how long girl run away.
No have time
I'm
for
gonna
man
live
girl.
with man.
Oh, not them. Not me. And my father me come look for. Cause I used to live with my mother, you know. And mother send me go my father. So me there did to know where exactly which spot. So I'm stood up on the road and me ask him.
But your father should have come pick up you.
Him send me the alright, you see my phone, me have on data. And him send me the direction from the map.
You
and
mean the
map,
location?
whatever. I still
Alright,
direction.
yeah.
Him send me from my phone and I able to watch. But through the data they done, so it kinda give problem. So yeah, girl.
Okay, so what your name?
My name Shan.
Oh, I grown in place I live right over there, so I live still. Where you live?
For my father.
Where your father live?
Round the lane.
Okay, so me will see a girl.
Alright, later.
Yeah. So I'm a little young girl around. Come go over me.
Head to toe in tie-dye. Wonder where this fairy came from. She's from heaven. Heart size of the Amazon.
Sis, where they?
Hand steady, hair long.
Okay. Alright, I'll come down here yet, so nobody left. I come pay you money when I do you. Yeah, man. Alright. I come, I soon come. Yeah. Alright. Kena,
Yes, ma'am.
come here right here, someone talk to you. I know you hear me now, but I still I tell you. I go down here auntie go pay her the money when I do her before I go to town. A long time I worry, so I come back from when now. She want it. Anyway, don't left out her yard. Tidy up the place and make sure you cook. You play them in the kitchen same way. All know they know watch out from morning.
Mommy, are you using them in?
Hold on there. I'm your mother, are you?
You.
So
set a
true
good,
because
set a good example.
what
so
good
that I can
example?
follow
When
it.
me a feel age, me a wash plate. Whether mama use it, papa use it, granny, uncle, auntie, niece. You know no manners. You need to go wash the plate. It no matter if you use it or when you use anything and don't wash it. Me no look for nothing like that. Say, oh, I know me use it. Me just wash everything. What is your problem? You act like me no fit tell you if you do nothing. Everything me say to you, you have problem. You go tell me no, say me use the plate. So that means say me if you watch it, you want me use it. So me fi set the example.
Right.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Okay. Left out of the yard. Don't wash your plate. Don't do nothing at all. Just go on out of the yard. Do anything we you want to do. Yeah, mother. Yeah, man. Me go down and my sister go pay her money.
Sure.
Make sure you say, yeah, man, left. Because you're a big woman. Left and you saw me bust up your face.
Head to toe in tie-dye. Wonder where this fairy came from. She's
Sister,
What one, sister?
I come to pay your money.
She
me
tell
dey
you how
owe you.
much?
No, sir, how much money?
Oh.
Because me know the little when me did owe you before me got home, but too much since you trust since me gone.
$18,895.
So much money in a dry goods.
And cook food and the pan too.
Me rotted all.
So you have to check up that.
So the cook
Every
food where you
minute
give her,
in
me have to pay
yam.
for it too.
Me have to buy food for cook for everybody. I say no, now want for me. Me now work.
But try
One
your
time a
niece.
week me work.
But when time for your
And
picnic
then
come
even
over me yard.
watch my child when me gonna work.
Nah,
So me have
it's
to
alright.
child.
It's alright. It's alright.
Okay.
It's alright.
No
Just
one, so sister, nothing I want.
it's alright, man. Don't worry yourself.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, sit here. I mean, I have no Jamaican, so you know, say this a 30.
So I hold my money
No,
this then.
no, man. Take out your money out of that. That's a 30 grand.
Mm-hmm.
So take out your call is a 19,000. I'll give you 1,000 penny. Take 20 grand and give me rest.
Why?
Yeah, 18,900 or whatever you say.
Yeah,
I
me
may
know
give
my
20.
sister, me know about the US.
You can't give me change.
No, give me the change, man. School a come up. Me no buy no book. Me no buy no bag. Come, give me change. Give
Sis,
me
me not
change.
like where you're going. Listen to yourself. You say, the food where you buy, give your niece, which is my daughter, when me leave with you and me I got on. I buy your money, you take buy the food, so me have to pay for it.
Lord, sis, come
No,
on.
you want me figure the change. It's alright, take it. Don't worry yourself.
Yeah, and your niece, yeah.
Yeah, man, Gary, make it help. Take.
Me no go sit down one.
Make
You
up.
do some for morning. You do anything for morning, go sit down. Me go give him. Me go buy bag and book give him.
Yeah, textbook. Yeah, make up it. Yeah, but she not change it. When I change it, give her one 2 grand out of it and take your rest put on her textbook.
Alright, my sister. You say me have to go through.
Mm-hmm.
Love money.
Come here.
Go.
Come here, my niece. You get big man. Where you hold up sheets of our
You
you shake wall?
can't give him.
Me just tell us if you get your rest of
You
money.
go take you go buy fast food.
Wait, hold on. I want me to cover up in a sheet in a hot sun at you.
I
I'm pretty if you put up a bed.
cover and then
I'm pretty man put up a bed.
so you can make heat kill me.
No,
Yeah.
I pray him up with
I lie.
Go sit down, man. Go sit down.
Alright, go and go sit down.
Go find
See, when your
something
mother
do.
talk to you,
Go
your
find
mother
the bed
feel
and
like
see
your
what
cousin.
the players.
Cause me can't chat to her, you know. Me say, you don't know, sis. Everything where you tell me, I believe.
Right. You tell you.
Tell what?
Oh.
She lie. Look while me tell her, say me they come down your yard, come pay you. Yo, the money when me owe you. So she fit tidy up the place. Wash up the plate and this and that. Girl,
No.
for a long time, I know so that the girl they don't like wash plate, sweep yard, nothing at all.
Tell her, man.
I know me believe you.
If it turn up, fiend don't do him.
No, listen when she say like a she the mother. Mommy, are you use them, you know? Are you use the plate, the man and me use them?
Hey.
So me say to her, say, is you are the mother or me? You are mama or me? I mean, I'm mother, but I mean use them.
Man.
So me realize that me cannot talk to her. She a 15-year-old and me can't talk to her. It look like me have to go down on some family court. Go get some counselor.
Sister, jack him up.
Yeah, no, but it
Drag him up.
me can't manage him. Me can't manage her no tall. Me can't manage her because every time me try,
My father.
I do
When
it.
last I hear from him?
I don't want to hear from him and me no want to know when there.
No, man, sis. This is not nice. Jack
But
him up, man.
She know her father.
Go put up the bed. I come out of big people hard man. Next thing you take him back, tell her.
Anytime
Sure.
her father see her road and give her money, she no make me know.
Same thing.
Her father give her money to give me. For me can help send her to school and buy little groceries. You know, say I don't know much money that. I don't know much.
Thank you, man.
But she take it like a big woman and spend it. And when her father see me and say, if me no get the money where him send come, and me say no. When me ask her, you don't know what she said to me? Mommy and my father and my money. Me not a figure a feel me money. All then something there. Attitude stink.
Make him go work. Make him work. Him big enough. Chinese want people to pack back done.
Right now, if she never 15, me send her out of my house. But you me know the police will lock me up here.
Watch you, my sister.
That are the only reason why she in the still. I cannot say nothing to this girl and she just take it and do what me say. She have to tell me this and I tell me that. If me say sweep up the yard, she soon tell me say no, she drop off and leave them and fight you.
Me I tell him, man, how that me go through. Yes, it's not lie.
Me know say true.
Work.
Me know
And
say
he don't
true
want to
yata.
see him pass. He might be one of him to wash them, say look one can rinse them. Not sure.
Jesus Christ, of course.
Me not work out a picnic,
me
sis.
understand her.
Some man. Not tell a lie. Why you know we do a thanks, see look a thing.
So you don't cook no food?
No, me no cook. So
Right now me hungry like that. And me tell the little girl, stay. She fi cook before me come back, wash up plate and tidy up the place and whatever. The girl will make me know say no, she use the plate them. So you must know. Say no partner go come over. So me tell her say nobody do nothing at all, just left it.
Then I can't a bar sell nice food for Sunday. You go sit down
She
there.
say she not hungry.
You go sit down there and look over the sea and eat a nice curry goat and rice and peas. So that me
She say she don't hungry and she tell me big woman talking she dey give me, you know, me not have to cook cause she not hungry. So me not go over go cook, you know.
Alright.
Straight down the road me and go.
I say no one can give me.
Alright.
You need one curry goat and rice and peas. Send your pump.
Still me the plan to buy steam myself, you know. I want one big steam fish cause me hungry. I lie. That's so much food she eat. But then say maga people eat enough. Oxtail? But my knees chest high. Anyway, me don't know if me are going now, but me don't know. Here where you go do now. Listen.
Auntie, give me one.
No, listen how you go now. Remember say she figure 2,000 and the rest she put fine. No man, I remember say I told me they go and me. Because me I work with some foreigner.
So
And them always send the barrel and the sickness to me, you know. So anyway, take this for yourself and buy the curry goat where you say. No man, me
No, you can't give me. Me have to hold you. Go sit down. Go find something though.
Right.
Auntie, know me. I
I
tell
feel
you,
your child, when you're ready, you
I
give
know
her.
first in my
Right.
day.
Alright, my sister.
Auntie.
God
Later.
bless you. God continue bless you.
Auntie,
Cause
Yeah,
you do
man.
great
Yeah, she
job.
go give you. Remember say if you give her
Me a slap
$100.
you.
Yeah.
Me a slap you. Go
Alright.
sit down,
Love you,
little
my
girl.
niece. Love you.
Bye, Auntie.
Okay, man, your mother. Alright, take care of her.
You can't. You know if
Auntie
you spend
gone now,
money.
so give
You know
me.
if you spend money.
Tell me now
Go
what
sit
you
down.
spend money. You
Go
take
sit
me
down.
to a party tonight.
1, 2, 3, 4. You know if $400 can do like these times.
Kenna,
Yes, ma'am.
girl, how are you?
Not a thing, no do. My mother come here chat about how me I tell her me a this and me a that.
Hey, your mother come.
Yes, me come.
Oh, so me hear Auntie did that tell us still. So me not see her, not even meet her with spot or
Because
nothing.
no matter know we fought of the yard, there's nothing I can do.
Girl, I can't hide on it for what she
Me
did now.
can't in the right over my auntie over there. So if me pass, remember me have to go through for them, me have to go to
You can walk through shortcut.
a shortcut, no, they then fence it up.
Oh girl, I found me look for you, girl, cause me say, oh, me not see my good friend from way.
Yes, remember so we have to go Bible class and everything.
Yeah. But my mother said she will send me go Bible class later.
You are the first right picnic where they broke out my daughter and they up and down with her and chat about a library on there. When a different place no gone, get up off of my bed. Get up off of my bed, cause you look like you're not be that who you.
Of course, me
Where your name?
Me name
I
Riri.
first see you. Who you little girl? Who you me say? Who are your mom?
Riri.
What you mean Riri? Your mother name
Charmian. Or Rasta woman.
Your mother name Charmian?
Yes. Ash black.
I know somebody named Charmian and I want a Rasta lady, but that the lady they could never be your mother.
What make?
Because she a good lady. Look
So me no
how
good?
you dress and come on the road.
What wrong with me?
What you mean what wrong with you? I let you breast them and show. You come in and now you go tell me that if you take off this and put on thing like that.
That's why me did tell her to do that.
Where you come here for?
Me not come here. Me come look
You
for
go back
my
to the Falls library again, on never go.
We got
You
library.
take one. You see you? If you know me know, you come out of my place before me shut your box, little girl.
Girl, me see you.
Yeah. I know your mother, you know, but I'm not too sure, you know. Little girl, don't come back in my place. And come sit down on my bed. I think I see me look like a figure beach. A river. What, hello? Kenna, get up. Get up. What kind of friend them do you have? What does she have on?
I don't know. Everybody have their different tastes in a clothes. Look how time hot I have on tights and something. Look what me did I mean have my boy shorts and shirt.
Listen to me. Me not talk about hot or cold. Yes, Jamaica is sunny country. Me stay in the heat. I know that me dey talk about. I tights me have on and it cover up my body. Me talk about she expose herself. How far she come from me no know. Pan road how much man they look on her.
I know far. Yeah, no, me shaman will live back around this so. He just walk through a path, he look a pass where they there, and he reach up here, he not go nowhere. So you know walk on the road.
Know because Shaman would never make her daughter go up on the road like that.
The world is such a small world. Maybe you know her, maybe you don't.
So let me ask you one question. Why me come back and see place the same way? Me tell you say me I go over your auntie and you.
Mommy, what me fi do? Me fi take out the TV, me fi take out the sun, me fi fling them out the door. How much else tied in here can go? This your sheet here the right here, so cause it will go cover with. So no make no sense you put it on and then when you go rotate it up again.
So
It's here, wait here
so who fit it sheet go on bed, the flat one no fit go.
Well, we find one different one then yeah. Me no know what else to do. You want me take out the fan? You want me take out the
You should have stopped the fan and go wash it off. You can take piece
the
of
fan clean. How much clean I want the fan
cloth or sponge.
Me wipe off the TV.
And wipe off the dust off.
Me
the
I'll arrange back up there so.
Everything me say you're there front, not sure.
Yeah, me there front. Always.
You're non-stop. You see how me they try if you know bust your ass skin. See where you start the car jing bang coming and me place where me alone deal without your dirty pooper. In a me good house where me pay how much money for nail, board and everything in yourself. And you are going to carry a little dirty friend them coming here and they go contact one kind of way. On top of it.
Alright then, so make me go out and go to my dirty friend and then if you don't want them in a year.
When you say go to your dirty friend, then what you mean?
Go,
like go and
to my
make
friend
up a couple
them,
things them and go and
no,
come back?
Let me visit them.
You can't do it, you know. You can't do it, but you know say enough to come back at this door here.
Me no mind.
This do you know?
Me no mind.
You know mind?
No.
Okay, take up the things them and go and they tell you.
I don't got nothing here. You barely buy my clothes or nothing.
Well, the 2 piece of string them when you have and the 2 piece of banana leaf, take up here and go. Miss Big Woman, go on.
You can't take them, I don't want them.
Okay, thanks. Go on. Now come back. Stay over your friend. Make sure say her mama put you up or a man yeah there they go. But you see when you breathe, do not call me name. I know police now come lock me up for you. Anytime you start take man a sound no behave. And them the kind of careless friend they you have. And that is the reason why they can talk to me. So yes, you know no manners, nothing about you no good. And what do them have pitney nowadays? When I talk to parents with manners, that's how you go out and road talk to the other elderly people them so. How you disrespect no mama. And who live with them pa then disrespect them pa. No respect, no manners. One. Anything that they look for you we get it. Yes, Kenna. One.
Me just come and know mama mother she can come.
Whew.
Where you a come from?
Try that again.
Mommy, where you come from?
And me I talk to so.
Then I who?
Girl, don't rank with me in the
one
yard.
in here.
Don't rank with me in the yard. You couldn't even spread the bed.
Me just come.
Eh?
But you can never spread before you leave.
Girl, don't get tricky and rank with me, you know. True say you have big tie, a ramp with. Remember, see me is your mother and you're the picnic. Me must explain to you when me there. When you go up on road, you tell me where you go.
So me when since you start hide things from me.
When you hide things from me, when you hide things in my drawer.
I never hide. Me that hide money put in your jar.
Little girl, you're getting too bright, you know. I don't know what kind of company you they keep out the street, you know.
Mommy,
but you
not keep
forget.
no company and me want a par.
Well, you better find a good friend then. Because you get too bright and fresh with me. I realized from the other day. And through you walk with things in your hand. You think so you can fresh with me? Try fresh with me one more time and see.
And I may go fresh with you. Man, them out the road. Mommy, so when you fix the phone, so make sure I put it right side of you.
Let me turn this off. Make me hear you properly. Fix what?
The phone.
Go find the cow. Make the cow that broke it and you may fix it. Me tell you, see me I fix nothing. I must say when you go pick up the crosses, bringing them in yard, you drop that really and broke it. And I come back and tell me fairy tales say cow and bull. Cock and bull.
Yeah, you say cow nearly kill me and want me go back go find cow.
Cow nearly kill you. But you come back and you know no scratch, no nothing for sure. And me know that the bush, you know.
Look.
That the little see, you have to find magnifying glass to see that. The little,
Mommy, look for the big old cut there. I bush and do that.
Oh, what you did I doing at the bush? Let the bush cut your foot this.
Me run for the cow.
When you drop it out, when you pick it up. Come on to me.
What you go look for?
Make me mad.
Mommy, I say me a pick I have no money for go fix the phone and you they work on me, not work now. I no underage.
Well, go sell some sock on the side of the road in the
holiday. Where want me to go sell, mommy?
Go sell sock drink.
Then
if you not sell that already.
Sock drink alone can.
Well, when you buy 2 bag juice and sell that off, then you can buy bag juice and soda and sell that. You better try.
Me I go put on the market.
On the young people, trying to get everything given to them and I don't know the value. You don't know what you say about it till you have boiled pan it. Turn today.
So boil up on my body? That means that somebody in our family are breed.
You must know. And you are called down breed. Bye-bye. Next time you ring with me. Next time, we still remember with the belt there, you know? Me still know with the belt there. Try me, little girl. Try me. Oh.
Boy.
Hold
boy. Watcha, you girl, tap there. Boy, I'm tired. Girl, you don't know, I sleep out last night. That's Christ. Right now, I want my mother company road it. I want to reach home before she see me, say I'm missing what I had. Girl, I have to go home back.
Come over here, sir. Come over here, because I sound too hot right now. And come like a story you go tell me.
Go catch up by my ear and fuzz out your always look, cause I put on my green shirt and my flowery forest skirt, cause I hit me if you
had your body?
Girl, I have to go out, cause she don't know say I go out at 9 time, but come here, let me phone me check something there. Oh, shit. This not look good.
Oh, what are your result?
Yeah.
I saw your bad make you behave like that? No, sir. And then you go out. No, sir.
Girl, on my phone, let me see yours. Let me see yours. Kuya! Be a 5 and 4 and you come hype on me.
Oh, remember my father not gonna know nothing, you know. He don't know no about result, so me can't tell him lie.
Your father wants
He man know, sir. He not gonna know a lie, no. He man know, sir, 1s and 2s. I get it.
Because your father not have no sense. I want some good lick.
My
And you
father
dey
not
judge
lick
me.
me.
You know lick you?
No.
I tap if you tap in your neck, wait until you see results.
If me now for sure him result, and he just ask me when me get him. Can't tell him say 1s and 2, and I go.
Your father wants some lick. All you?
Go on up. Or if you go up to your mother
Go on up.
batter you.
Ayo, your father wants to see them. Let him say nothing.
So tell me why you call me now.
You don't know why I call her?
You know.
You take big bossiness and say they come out there yesterday and you still come back.
Then what me fi do? Me tell you say me I go out there, so me never did tell you say me nah come back.
Ah, Jesus. Anyway, you know the reason why I take you back in, sir? Because you're underage and I don't want the police lock me up. That are the only reason, cause you don't have nothing good that come out of your mouth. You don't have no manners. You don't talk to no, and me alone. They go out the road the other day, everybody have your name out there for a light post. Like when they keep dance and put up posters. Everybody in the community say you don't have no manners. No manners at all. I don't understand. You need to have manners to people, have manners to your parents, and plus have manners to elderly people, also your teacher. You know, if you have manners. Me I can't go out on the road. And me know say you're a big woman. You will take time and come out of the yard and coming back like I say. You never go nowhere, but you see cow can hear who in it belongs to the bush. Stay in the yard and don't come out. We're going somewhere. You understand?
I understand.
Okay. You're big enough can look out something to eat.
Yeah.
Yes, 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 we are do tired. We are do tired.
No, I'm gonna take cool breeze.
Why you don't think you're smarter than me? Cool breeze. So what, the yard not big enough? Our matches box yard
I'm
enough?
gonna stretch my foot. Me can't stretch my foot.
Yard can't stretch your foot. You can't come to the yard and stretch your foot. Only young girl feel like say on head bigger than mine. Eh? You're not even 18 yet. Remember, you know, your mother knows that my roof and then anything happen to you in a problem.
Daddy, me no house sweating on me can't take it out.
Answer my question. Who in a problem?
Oh.
Me, right? So why the backside you can't tell me about you want stretch foot? When you open your mother, I say you walk on stretch foot.
No really.
Me don't play them game there, you know. That's why I nail up my window, because I don't play them game there with girl picking it. Because I come here, come get eye no belly. Because I don't take care of no belly. Me have this one parent now. Because, let me tell you, how we make it bad still, you know. Because when you breed, we take on our back, put in the house, start take care of the one you have. And then you go back out and go breed for another dirty foot boy.
If we just dug in the house every day, so that's not do now. Me must can't stretch 1 and 2 times. Stretch my foot them.
Sit down in the house and go on your phone and research to see if you can find one online job or something do. Because you know, catch 18 to go work physically. What wrong with that? Eh? What wrong with that? One young girl see, want to see out there. Want to run down right now, not ready for no. On the low it alone.
Me not run down nothing.
You know much picking it. When they get 18, 19, 20, them a travel with womb cancer. Because them a waste their mother money and skip school, one man yard, all 5 some, 6 some, them a have like a idiot. You know how much viral video me see a go on with school picnic. Me embarrassed.
Because them careless.
I don't know if me picnic. I don't careless. A bribery and friend. Them follow friend.
And them a pick company where they want.
Oh, you're smart with that.
Yeah.
Because they say, show me a company and me tell you who you are. But, this, remember seafood. How you want it? Find the subject part. Cause result time now. We see where you get. Come on, feel proud. I them are stick them. What the 4 stick and the
the
V
4
for?
stick mean 1.
And the V?
Mean 2. 2 we mean man.
Backside! So them a pass!
Yeah.
Yes! I'm proud of you.
Pa, you see it?
I'm proud of you.
I said when we go anywhere we want to go and
Yeah,
me in a house like that.
Run anywhere you want to go, my daughter. Yeah.
Yeah, daddy. Me a good on you road, yeah?
That's it! No house around there, so.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Fear bush, them not really here. So me a go take a walk.
Go and take a walk, my daughter. Feel free.
Big up me. Yeah.
Normally, when I come back 5 o'clock, you can't come in 6, 7 o'clock. Yeah?
Alright.
No take the pass. You can't go right down again. You can't go.
Oh God. What's up? Mommy, you're not gone yet? Oh.
Me did I go pray first. Unlike you, me do everything with the Lord's blessing and my
So sit down and pray now. Sit down and pray, mommy, and lock your eye. Sit down and pray and close your eye and pray for me, mommy. Come.
You want prayer?
Yeah. Me need it. And I said, me need it, mommy. Pray. Come, ready.
Alright.
Don't open your eye until me tell you to open your eye here.
Almighty Father, as I come before you. Max! You think see me an idiot? What I still doing in here but lock my eye in my house? And me no say you no ask for prayer. Little girl, what I still doing in the yard?
And dash me, I go
Don't point that thing from me, what you do?
Mommy, and dash me, I go dash you right now. Me tell you to lock your eye.
Lock me, I mean no say general business you did that pan, you know.
Mommy.
You come for prayer and me must lock my
Mommy,
eye.
that's how me talk to you. If you listen, me tell you to lock your eye. Lock your eye.
Take your foot out of my face, little girl. And take that thing out, take that crosses out of my house. You see, let me tell you something. You see, if the police hold you with that, you not have no mother.
Wait.
You don't have no father.
Mommy,
You don't have no mother.
Mommy say, yeah, this one me.
Yes, with that. You see, any name there you get catch, I do nothing with that there. Jesus.
Are you phone me a call? So just
Nobody give them my number. You forget my name. You drop and get amnesia.
Who won't get amnesia?
Get out of my house with that. Oh, cross himself. How come on and tell me for lock my eyes? Must have think to me an idiot.
Kenna girl.
Yes, ma'am.
Girl, me can't bother with your vibes. Anytime I come over here, go on like Kenna happy to see your friend.
Me happy to see you. Me just tired of
Girl,
prison.
that's something I come to show you. Queer.
Yeah, sure.
Queer girl.
Where you get that from?
Girl, remember when we did go over such man other day?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. When after me left her over there, me go back over there yesterday. And put this through the window and take it away. And left him over there.
You never afraid of it?
How if he dead? Woman, me have what they want. So then I go.
What you have what they want?
Don't mess between your legs.
It they everywhere too. And
Well-
everyone have it.
Well, for me, one different. So anyways, girl, come at me a walk out on the road now.
Yeah, I left that.
Me go fling you away, me go fling you away, cause my mother see it. Oh. Come on. Watch this out now. I like your money, so.
Oh, yeah, good.
Hey, get top.
Who you talking to, girl?
You.
Me older than you, know? Not because your nose pierced, me older than you.
You're not older than me, how much as a matter of fact?
Me a 19. Me know you talk to me.
You're older than me for sure, but me no business. Give me money.
Me box head in your face, girl. Where you want money for do?
You know what they in my waist?
Me business what in your waist. I could even the least for doctor have I done business. I don't care.
You don't business.
Come on, business. Business, I come and tell you.
You don't business. Drop the money. Drop the money. Oh. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Hey. Ciao. Hey. Ciao. The all my friend run gone. Girl, come on. Where you run for? Jesus. At least me get some money.
No, auntie. That not us.
Remember?
Somebody access no, that she did a good dash for that. The way you, why?
Yeah.
So
But me
why
that
you
me
have
have to use before me dash away.
Are you feel that they're correct with you? Yes.
So see, hold this.
Me no, I don't want
Girl,
to.
hold the money and come.
So when you get US dollars, so I give it.
Eh?
And you still have that for you?
I dash me out dash here now.
That's where I get. Lord God, me pick the ton thief and murderer.
Yes, me a thief nobody?
Where you get I Russell rob you rob something.
No,
Forget
let me
that.
tell you how me get it. One wife man did a pass and she said she liked me. And she give me the money.
Oh, so you is either thief, a murderer, or a lesbian. Which kind of white woman like you? I sell yourself.
Oh, yeah, sir.
Little girl.
Bad juice.
If you know what I know, you see, you is a good girl.
Yeah,
You know
I'm
your
not going to put
parents.
my foot them. I'm not going to stretch them.
You do the right thing. She my daughter, she my picnic, but me not have no picnic. Yeah?
And this girl
Me
come
not have
and
no
disgrace me.
picnic. Stay far from me. Me know your mother, me know your father, me name is good
Jesus
people.
Christ.
Keep
Mama,
away
come on,
from
come
her.
on, Aya.
Don't touch me with that. Me not know you with that. Remember I said police hold you? You not have no mother
I
yourself.
got me mother.
You not have no mother.
Pack up there. Girl, come on. Me don't know what do her.
Dash away. Take your fan now, dash away.
Me go dash away over there, so.
No, you tell me so last time I reached up, I saw you blush.
Alright, me dash away. Come on, me dash away for true.
I'm so tired. Oh, where are you from? Me say me hear some breed and shut a fire in here. Yeah. Them boy they workless and doggy, you know, man. Why? Eh?
If I did ever them I do that, they won't know so bad or not so bad.
What do you mean by that?
Me see me life flash across my eyes them.
You see your life?
Yeah.
How?
Two little girl rob me. Two of them. One of them, yes, one of them top, one of them have the matic.
One of them have a matic. I know it's Pierce.
Yes! One shot of that dry head.
I that same girl that stick me up, make me nearly
What happened there?
rob me.
She rob you?
555,000.
She rob me too.
How much?
Oh God, 60 she rob me.
A chump change. Me think I want it for money.
No.
You gonna grab your gun from the girl?
Hey, me dad though. When she have been take up the money, so she put it because of me, I grab the gun so get out of hand.
Okay, shut her.
I'm not, me see the other one run me down. And if I run, she a run. What? She da run with me, then me see she turn back.
You see them a young girl nowadays, them parents, I feel like them, I'm father going into you know. I go and set police pan him backside.
My head a hurt me now.
You go on. I go and set police pan her.
I'm gonna tell me auntie say.
Tell your auntie say gun woman stick you up. No gun woman kind of woman. Gun picnic stick you up. And it's not a play gun, it's a real gun because me here they shot them.
So me have to give back the money?
Then I will find it back.
I never meet TV.
I will get it.
Oh God.
Where Annie come from, you will find it. Because of that, you don't know. You know, laugh at what the little picnic them too much.
Me didn't laugh up with her. She just see me and say, hey girl, give me money. Me I see you bright, me not give me money.
Oh, God. I know rock her. No, this when she did stick me up, I give him 2 fists. I rock him 2 fists. You think he could have...
Give me your money.
Eh?
Can I lend me your money?
What?
If you can't lend me your money.
What you mean now you're good? Wait there. Where's it now?
I said if you can't lend me your money.
Check me next year when it fall, when the election call. Check me next year. Cause right now, third term about to come.
You should just go there and book up on her. Bad man.
Yeah man, tell her if you stick me up on it, we ain't get.
No, sir. She thinks I'm an idiot. Then we can't deal with this. What candy? Yeah, right.
Shamin.
You understand the shit. My head hot right now.
Shamin, look here. Me need to ask you something. Cause I too much somebody named Shamin. Me know you as Charmin. Me see one little girl come over me yard. And a matter of fact, one time she go over there. Almost every time I left me yard and go back, she over me yard with my daughter. When me look, one of the day me see her in a one little skimpy sitting. So me I say, hold on there. Who you? Cause me go in my house because she sit down on the bed with my daughter. Who you? Where your name and where your mama? Charmian. Me say with Charmian, I could never the Charmian with me know. Because the Charmian with me know would never allow for your daughter to go out on the road in a them kind of thing. I could never the Charmian. Who? Ayoma. Charmian and she one Rasta lady. Then me kind of pick up say maybe you me never too sure.
She have both nose school.
Really you?
She have both nose. And
Girl,
she short.
she have one.
That's one.
And one so. And her ear short.
need to go no
And her she short, she not tall.
And let me tell you the truth.
She's skinny like a one wingworm. And act like a big woman, just like a thin one.
Let me tell you the truth. And she me just cuss up the road.
What you say?
Me give birth to one picnic, but God know me not have none. You hear what I say? Me give birth to one, and right you know me not have none.
No push up your foot too hard, because I don't want to go hurt you.
Me not know daughter named Riri. She a cross.
Hold on, hey!
Could the cross is this so?
Hold on.
That your talk, and that the bad breed your talk. Take your foot out of my face. That come from your son, but me no own it. Here, me no own it.
Where you come on the road and disgrace me for?
This
With this woman here.
With this your woman, I'm a friend. I'm not call her this your woman. Hey, you don't know man is from morning.
Are they my kind of friend you like?
Hey, me not girl you so.
Me see.
Me don't know that my good girl dead and gone. My daughter dead and gone. Right now,
Me soon deal with you.
Right now, me is an adult orphan.
Stop load up your mouth. You're not saying in our residential area.
All yourself to stop loud up them mouths. Eh? You think so? You think so? You think so? The friend.
Hold on there.
And then she'll come with you now.
Wait.
And then she'll come with you.
Come here, little guy, come here.
They're gonna put
Hey,
you
come here,
out.
my Japan turn
They're
up.
gonna put you out.
Wait,
They're gonna put you out.
I want tie.
No, me didn't think say tied the other day.
I want
Really
let me see.
unalive myself.
From the space or what?
No, let me see it. Hey, I want to
Give
go.
her.
Yeah.
Let me
Give
see
her.
it.
Give
Hey,
her.
man, you
Give
pull
her.
the trigger.
Hey.
Hey,
Hey.
okay.
Hey.
Oh, you should know what I want to do. The thing drop out tight. Let me see it on bad woman now. Come bad woman now. You don't have your weapon. Where your bad woman is there? Where your bad woman is there? Where your bad woman is there? Touch me. Touch me without the gun. See me a lick you. Touch me without the gun.
Are you wait, champion, you sure say I hear that?
No, me don't tell you say one come from your son. I mean I have no
Hey, take
me
time.
not have no
Remember say no
picnic.
lift up your foot too high,
Me
cause we
not have
hurt
no
you.
picnic.
Little girl, come here.
Me want to see how you bright without it. No.
I really am mad you stick up what is Jesus Christ? What the weapon here? I really
You're blind?
You see
You're
what
blind or nasty? Which
Yeah,
one?
here, why me I put it out?
You're really,
you say if I really the weapon here you just put in your mother face
I'm
this while.
you're blind. You're
Your
blind.
mother will birth you. 9 months and come.
Why about your opinion? Give me this.
Yeah, give me
Give back to her.
Let it go. Hold on there. Little girl.
You forget who?
We can't see
You
the witch.
forget me mad woman, you know?
How your mother you deal with so in front of me? You feel some your size? Eh? You feel some your size? We are walk with weapon. How old you be? So now police no know say have them sitting me up on the road. Feel lock up your backside. Oh, you know say she have this and you call police for her.
Me tell her to get rid of it. But straight to station me I go report
You
it.
nah get back this.
Hey, woman. I'm a free way. Come care about go give owner.
Care about what give you owner?
She the owner. She the owner. Hey, let me see what you're going to know.
No.
Right.
Your mother we carry you for 9 months.
She chat too much.
Your mother you want unalive. You're too feisty. You're too feisty. What? Stop. No.
Me not send the bad
Hey,
no.
wait.
Me not send the bad
Hold him.
You not have no gun.
Go see us.
You not have no gun. You not back now. We don't have gun. Me unalive you no girl. Tell me the shame.
This a girl here. Shamian.
Shame. Me not know picnic.
So where she keep this in your house?
Let me tell you a story.
Why you never take it and
nearly
throw
never
it?
see me.
Put in a fire.
You never see me.
I lie.
Me come in my room and me say, how the draw broke so? How the draw broke so? When me look, me like idiot things say a tie gun. You remember how we used to spray water gun when sun hot? Me think say water gun. Kenny, you nearly never see me, girl. I saw one point with you, and I got in heaven said I pull nothing. You see when me do so, I drop it, I buy the gun, me drop it up as myself I run. I still make me know sorry real gun the girl bring it in my house. Me tell her to take it out.
And you, hold on there, Charmaine. My pressure go up. Wait. No, me no. Listen.
Tell you.
Mind your pressure go up. Listen to me now. You have to go calm down and get some water to drink. Because you have some kids when you have no respect for their mother.
Just like a Timmy one.
No, me know why she deal with me so she not no manners either, you know. So she have to go tell me where her friend get that they sitting there from. Because no mind shop, you have it too. No mind shop, she have one in me also.
Me tell her to stay away from my daughter.
Show me a company and tell her who you are. So if your daughter have that, I don't know where she have.
Stop calling me daughter. Can't me tell you so me nah hand up.
Listen,
fingers stink.
mind you end up in the hospital. Take time.
Me dash that way.
All right,
Me nah know pick.
all right, wait. Mind your blood pressure rise. Take time. Calm down. Calm down. Oh God. Listen, me understand where you go through, but you need to report this to the police. You can't you own a picnic in your house with one offensive weapon and you do not report that.
I'll pull it on me now if you never there.
No, that means if she want analyze you, she will go stick up anybody with it. The police them need to know about this. A serious thing this here. No jokes. And you come here.
Oh God.
You know, so your friend have them kind of something a long time?
My dear, I didn't know.
How will you call my dear?
Yo, I am a darling.
Oh, yeah.
You see? One I rub up and the other, but maybe there's still chance for your daughter.
No, you never see her with nothing yet, but you never see your daughter with that. Now find in the house?
Find it in the house.
So, hold on, do you have anything inside my house?
No.
Because me different from Charmaine, any day me see no offensive weapon. Any offensive weapon in my house we can cause problem with people life. Me they go down a station go report you go have to eat me as your mother. Okay. And I now go give a damn. The police them need to start know about this. Too much parent I keep up too much slackness with them and nowadays pick me and when them pick me put themselves in a problem and analyze how much people life. Then they ball, whoa, when police get rid of them. Then they ball about you kill me son for. Where you kill me son for, my son not do nothing. My son not do nothing that time how much life their son take. How much dishonest money they name when their son can come give them. No a daughter they do it. So, woman a do it and man a do it. The police need to lock up the whole on no backside. Daughter, son, I do not care. Me not stay in no house with no picnic with no offensive weapon. You don't have no license for it and you don't reach the age to have it neither. Cause if people go report it when they soon on the road with it, police can come, they can lock up me, you as the daughter, the ma, and everybody else when at the house. Cause they must say, oh, it's in there and me as the mother do not know all when me no know. Me should have known to for me house. A son no put parents in a problem. A son no put parents in a problem. And you, Miss Jamaica, where they go on like I say, you innocent. I don't know, me not trust you neither because so a man think it, so easy. And you and her friend, whatever she do, you will do too. The invigler is bad as the thief. Come, good up. Me no want you not fire, go on down in the yard.
That one a different.
Go on down in the yard because me don't know where they walk with people who have them they kind of sitting there. Go on down in the yard. Go on down in the yard. Go on down in the yard. Charmaine, why them a picnic nowadays? Have them a kind of something here when we little, we don't know them the things there. We can't go against them.
We pick up our use.
I want water for drink.
We do everything. Can we do everything?
Come. We do a shop, we buy one bottle of water.
We can't go up no more.
All the bed change up.
Cause you know me say over there so I can't go to your window. So I'm just fix up the place.
You see any home set my place, I saw me want come back on seat. You don't change nothing in here. Anywhere. I can't believe it. I cannot believe this. My shame like a dog.
Shame with what?
Shame. Big old me. Respectable elder in the area. Disgrace like that.
Then just get to the pie now.
The subject.
What do you?
You tell me say you pass the subject, but the four line them is one and V is two.
Yeah.
Me see one girl me know say bright enough. Look for me and tell me say then they fail.
I lie.
Then they no pass.
I lie, she a tell.
I lie she a tell.
I lie, she a tell.
Alright, I lie she a tell. I lie she a tell, yeah?
I lie, she a tell.
I lie she a tell, cause you take me for idiot. Let me tell her this.
What you mean? Tell you we are though.
Listen what me I tell you, sir. You go back home to your mama. I don't.
I lie, she a tell.
I can't, no, don't on me. Meanwhile, when time somebody come here and give me one paper of his time, they can say, in me data, read this if you real, or legit, or what. You make people scare me out of my house. Me, nah, stay here with you. You go and find yourself back at town. You hear? Find yourself back at town. Go jump to a window, carrying all of a man in your mother yard.
So, but who do you bring the man in everybody's yard?
Cause you think she not tell me? You think she not tell me say you are one of the way I can afford man in her house? Eh? You think she not tell me and don't look at your mother and tell herself to take one? Eh? You're a wicked piece of girl. I saw you don't care 4 man come in here. And when me get you, I say, Daddy, take one out. That chop up is the whole on the backside. You hear? Mama, I want you. Me I gonna make sure me go a birthday for office Monday morning and wipe it out of my arm. My name. You know if you have my last name. You know if you carry my last name. And this have disgrace and bangarang right now. Me, we are done. If you have one done spitting, no. And that's how me grow. Somebody got to have the bright knowledge. Somebody have to turn a lawyer. Somebody have to turn a doctor or a teacher.
Yeah, talk about subject. Subject not even matters. Because I know people have no subject and them now they know. They must sit down for them big, dirty, stinking ass of them yard.
Subject still matter. It don't matter if you don't get no work. Let me tell you that. I wish I did got one. Because if I did got one, people couldn't use me. If I did got one, it good for your subject. Yes, when you done, man take you for football.
No man can them football.
Yeah? Yes, when you done, man take you for White Sox. Yes, when you dirty, them change you. Let me tell you that. Education is the key. Nothing but the key. You hear? Yes, when you done, you get belly fast. Let me tell you that. Any woman where you see with one bungalow pitney is woman when you get subject. Let me tell you that. You hear?
None.
You hear? A workless man walk around and breed up people girl picking. You hear? A workless girl go around and make boy breed them up. You hear? Sweet them up on top of, oh, me love you, I love you, and this and that. And when you fall fit here, yes. And then they go in a bush or yard or in yard.
Drive me.
When he lay down with you, boom, see man going at you, boom, belly come, boom, in take your highway. And your family are suffer with the girl. Look here. One.
You got mother back.
One. I don't want it here. Okay. Me and one father no put up with slackness. Yeah? Adios.